guess where we are? Can you tell from the Eiffel Tower?
Can you tell from that great big Orion sign behind us? Wherever my finger goes, but they get the hint.
Yep, we are at Kings Island.
Yep. Kings Island is known for those fast, thrilling rides and coasters. But a lot of people want to know, what about the fun kids rides and family rides? Snoopy, don't bother looking at that map. I've got you covered. Let's go take a walk around Planet Snoopy and check out the family and kids rides that they have. Kids can definitely have a lot of fun out here at Camp Snoopy, out here at Kings Island. Look at those fun helicopter rides. I would love to get on that. Where's Sandy? Think they'll let me on?
All right, this is the cutest ride. Linus Launcher. It looks as if you are hanging on to Linus's blanket as it takes you off. That is so adorable.
Ooh, so far no one's on this ride. So let's see if it's in testing and if they're gonna let me on. There may be a lot of kids behind me, but when it's a ride called Surf Dog, I gotta get on. If you get the chance, that Surf Dog was a lot of fun. I've never been to a park that has a log flume ride dedicated to kids.
I love the name. Race for your life. Okay, let's do it.
I want to race for my life for sure.
Yeah, me too.
Charlie Brown, we're coming for you.
Let's go.
Don't worry, Charlie, we're coming.
We are soaked.
Yeah.
And look at the culprit.
Yeah. Watch out for Snoopy.
Yeah, he's spitting water at us.
You get a little
Look at
wet
us now.
on this ride.
Yikes.
This out. I'm gonna win.
I think I'm gonna win. And by the way, this is the coolest boot blasters there is. Wouldn't you agree?
I agree. I'm gonna win. And one more thing.
If you know the cartoon character that was referenced here in the past, put it in the comments and let us know.
As you notice right away, one thing that makes this different is the ride vehicle itself. We can't shoot inside the rides, but just to let you know, I
won that one.
yeah, my gun didn't work at all.
Yeah,
I had
to
it
give it
right
credit,
on
yeah.
top of target and it did nothing.
He had a faulty shooter.
Yeah, Kings Island isn't all about the coasters and thrill rides.
Even though those are really fun. And kids can ride those too. But the little ones, they got their own little planet.
And the ones that were the kid at the heart can have the planet of their own right here at Kings Island.
Oh yeah.
If you haven't hit that like and subscribe,
What are you waiting for?
because you really never know where we're going to end up next, make each and every day, including those with lots of kids rides, an adventure that rocks.